How is your sleep? And I'm asking that question because tomorrow, Monday, January 13th, we have a full moon. So the moon has been getting bigger and bigger, and it can often be difficult to just really sleep during a full moon time. Here are some energy medicine tips that may help you sleep better through the night, every night. So to begin with, the first thing that we're going to do is cross our energies right to left because we are way up in our left brain too much. So we just come to the shoulder, swipe to the hip, left, right, back and forth about 3 or 4 times so that we can get the right and left brain connected. Now, the next thing is, let's open the cranium and let out all of that scattered chatter that is trying to get our attention 24 hours a day. So bring our fingertips to the very top of the hairline, and we're going to really press in and open, just imagining that you're opening the cranium, you're letting out all of that busy chat down to the end of the neck and off. And again, coming to the top of the hairline, you really want to feel this. You're pressing in, you're opening all the way down the cranium to the end of the neck area and pulling that tension off. This not only feels good, it's good any time of day. If you've been on the computer too long, you just need to open up and clear your head. Now, another thing I want to talk about is the heart. Have you taken in today some issues that upset you, hurt you, or that you're frustrated about? If so, remember you can open the back door of the heart and let them out. So just take a body check. Is there anything that upset you that you've been holding on to? If so, use your imagination. Imagine you have the key to the back door of your heart. Open it up and just let go. Take a breath. Now, after you do that, take both hands, come to the pubic bone, and come straight up the center of the body, right up through all the chakras to the bottom lip. Lock your zipper and throw the key away. So that's Donna Eden's famous zip up, so that you can protect your energy from taking in so much that doesn't belong to you. Now, finally, when you get underneath those cozy covers at night and your arms can be supported by the pillows, I want you to hold this for at least 5 minutes. And this is called Mellow Modra. So you're going to take your thumb and put it over the fingernail of your index finger. Your thumb is working with your lungs and supporting them bilateral. Your index finger is working with large intestine. So your thumb comes over the index finger nail. Okay, now you're going to take this thumb and index finger and lay it right on the temples. You let your other fingers just rest across your forehead. The baby finger is going to work with heart, the middle finger calming that fight or flight. And the ring finger calming the fight or flight, and the middle finger working with circulation meridian. So what we're doing here is, if with our arms are supported by the pillows, we're just breathing at our own natural rate and allowing everything to calm down and allow us to slip into a peaceful night's sleep. Take a couple of deep breaths at your own rhythm and let go. And finally, one hand at the heart, the other hand at the pelvis, connecting those two vital energies, both dealing with our creativity. So once again, Mellow Mudra, your thumb working with lung meridian is going to go over the fingernail of your index finger, and that finger is working with your large intestine. You're going to bring the thumb and the index finger right to the temples so that they calm that fight or flight. And your other three fingers just right across the forehead. Baby fingers dealing with heart meridian. Ring finger dealing with calming that fight or flight. And middle finger dealing with circulation. You're going to hold this for at least 5 minutes and just breathing at your own normal rate. And when you're ready, you're going to allow the Mellow Mudra to slip you into a quiet, peaceful sleep. You can come down at the end and connect heart center right between the breast with the pelvic center, both areas dealing with our creativity and birthing our creativity here in this three-dimensional reality of body, mind, and spirit. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelmed Warrior. And if there's any way I can help you or work with you, reach out to overwhelmedwarrior.com. Thanks, and have a great Sunday.